Clearbrow, North Dallas. 2023 Tesla Model 3. Originally ordered in black gloss. This has the paint protection film by Xpel over it, referred to as Stealth or a matte or satin finish. There's other companies that have the same type of effect. This one, however, is the thickest. It's 8 mil, and there is your matte, stealth, or satin look with the film. It still provides no waxing, self-healing, and rock protection for the vehicle itself. Let's take a look at what we do here. Stealth wraps, just pretty much like the gloss wrap. This particular person doesn't want any emblems on his car. They're all removed. When we're wrapping this in, we make sure we've got no gloss paint showing through, and we wrap everything in, even in these headlight bays that are in the fenders, and we wrap all our fenders all the way underneath, all our doors and fenders, our mirrors, nice and clean. Everything goes in nice, and we wrap it all the way around both sides. Our A-pillar wraps all the way in. The fender also wraps all the way in where the A-pillar is, and it wraps all the way in under this molding and into this seal. It goes all the way back. I had somebody tell me on camera, videos and pictures. Pictures are difficult to see, but the video, there it is. There's no edge, no gloss. It's underneath. I don't know how you can't see that, but whatever. So here we are going again under this molding. It's very clearly visible. The film's underneath, And on these door handles, I wrap all those in. I don't leave a gap. That's all I ever see is a gap, but not here. I know how to wrap those in, and they stay. These tail lights were done with the Stealth film at the request of this gentleman. And I gotta tell you, it looks pretty good. So all this is in Stealth. The spoiler was wrapped in Stealth. The trunk lid all in one section. Emblem removed back here. He just wants that nice clean fighter look. Again, here's all the Stealth film, looking really good. Just tones it down just a little bit. Everything wrapped in, just much like the other side, all wrapped in, all wrapped in, all wrapped in, all wrapped in. So no gloss paint showing, that's the goal. Again, on this mirror, all wrapped. Everything looks fantastic. And there it is. Xpel Stealth paint protection film. Tesla Model 3 2023 at Clearbrow, North Dallas. If you need to reach us, clearbrownorthdallas.com, 214-414-3809, and I'd be happy to help you. I'm Brent. Thanks for watching our channel. Take care.